Welcome to day 11 of my 30 days Pilates and Yoga Wellness Journey Flourish. My name is Annie and welcome to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. This is a gentle beginner abdominal core workout, perfect for those beginners who had a lot of core weakness, and if you have back pain, safely and effectively, everything will be slow, controlled movement patterns. It's only a 15-minute workout, easy to follow along, gentle and effective. So get your mat ready and join me in Mr. Able. Okay, my friends, let's start sitting up first with your knees bent, keeping your spine tall and lengthened. This is great to start engaging your core muscles and mobilizing and articulating your spine. You can place your hands behind your thighs to help stabilize your pelvis, as well as opening your chest out as you further come closer towards your knees. You want to open eye gaze as you inhale. Let's warm up our core and abdominal muscles as well as our spine as we slowly lowering ourselves gently. Rounding your shoulders, pulling your belly button in as you exhale. Chin tuck, feeling that lovely stretch on your back. As you inhale, slowly pull yourself up with the help of your hands. Gently look up, open your chest. And then gently exhale, lower yourself down. Round, chin tuck, feel that beautiful stretch on your back. As you inhale, slowly pull yourself up. Feel that opening and tightening of chest, keeping your back straight. Exhale down. Last one, my friends, as you inhale up, opening your chest, looking up, engaging your shoulders back. Exhale, round. Now gently walk through your hands behind your thighs as you slowly go all the way down the mat and resting your head down. Able to sleeping and napping after our walk today. Close your eyes. Let's continue with printing technique and core engagement to warm up more with our deep breathing. With your eyes closed, take a deep breath in. Place your hands on your abdomen and ribcage area to feel the breath work. As you exhale, feel one hand at the small of your back to keep that small space of your neutral spine, your shoulders pressing on the mat as well as your hips, but keeping that small space at your low back. Tightening your abdominal muscles as you exhale. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. 2 more deep breaths. Feel the tightening across your abdominal area. You can let go your hand off your small of your back and keep it there on your abdomen area to feel your deep breathing. Inhale. Keep that flare up ribs on the lower part, engaging all the way to your hips as you exhale, tightening it, pulling your belly button in. Last one, my friends. Inhale and exhale through your mouth. Now gently place your hands on your sides. And as you inhale, slowly lift your arms overhead to feel the shoulder mobility, to stretch your upper back as you inhale overhead, and then exhale, placing it on your side of your hips with your palms down. Inhale up again, warming up your shoulders. and keeping that neutral spine and abdominal bracing. With your deep breaths in, up, arms overhead as you exhale down. 2 more to go. Inhale, up, exhale down. Last one, my friends. Inhale, arms overhead as you exhale down. Place your hands behind your head. Gently do abdominal half crunch. I want you to lift your shoulders but not pulling your neck muscles. You want to feel it on your abdominal muscles. Lift as you inhale, exhale down. Squeezing your core in still as you lower and inhale up. You might feel some shakiness on your upper part of your abdominal muscles as you exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. 2 more to go. Inhale up. You don't want to pull your neck muscles with your hands. Focus on your abdominal muscles. Last one. Inhale up, exhale down. Now gently lift both knees up to tabletop position. And from this position, we're going to engage again as you lift your shoulders and abdominal muscles. Engage. Inhale, exhale down. Slow and easy so you're not straining your neck muscles. Inhale, exhale down. Lift, core engagement. If this is hurting your back, you can continue with your feet down the mat. It means your back muscles are not strong enough to hold your hips up. Last one. Inhale up and exhale down. Now gently tap with your head down now to the mat to rest. Tap your foot down the mat. You can start with your right and then exhale back to double tabletop. Now your left side. Inhale, exhale up, squeezing your core in, alternating left and right. You want to make sure you're doing this gently. When you tap down your toes to the mat, you don't want to plop it down. You want to control mind-body awareness. 2 more to go. Inhale, tap down, exhale up. Last one on your left, exhale. Well done. Now we're progressing by lifting your shoulders off the mat. Hold it there. And then gently tap again, alternating right and left. And I said if your neck is hurting, continue just tapping your foot, alternating with your shoulders down the mat. 2 more. Inhale, exhale. Last set. Inhale and exhale. We are slowly lowering your head down, your shoulders, to progress with double tabletop tapping. So both feet now tap. Inhale and then exhale up. 4 more. Tap both feet. Exhale up. 3 more. Inhale. Exhale up. Squeezing your core. Feeling this sensation on your lower abdominal muscles. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. We are progressing again by lifting your shoulders off the mat, engaging more your upper abdomen. As you gently tap your both feet to engage your lower abdominals. Inhale, exhale up, squeezing your core in. You might feel your abdominal muscles shaking now. 3 more. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Last one. Exhale up. Slowly tap down your feet. Rest your hands to the side. We're gonna release some tension off your back by gently twist both knees on one side. Exhale back center. Inhale to the other side. Twist, relieve the pressure off your back. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Last one on the other side. And back center. Well done, my friends. We are progressing again by lifting both feet up again to double tabletop. And this time with your arms overhead, we'll be targeting our obliques. So this time extending your right knee and gently lower it down towards the mat to rest, and lifting your left hand pointing to the ceiling as you lift your right foot up with your knee straight. Exhale down, overhead with your hand, rest your foot. This is beginner Pilates, so you can always rest down, especially for those with back pain, so you're not straining it. Up with your foot, hand pointing to the ceiling. Exhale down. 2 more. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Feel the burn. Exhale down. Now we are switching it up by bending your right knee, extending your left knee, slowly lowering it down to the mat, and rest. So this time, we're lifting your left foot up and your right hand up, pointing to the ceiling. Exhale down. You don't have to go all the way up to 90 degrees on your foot, even just slightly to 45 degrees, that's fine. 3 more. Inhale up. Exhale down. 2 more. Last one. Inhale up and exhale down. Now gently extend your knee on your right, and we're slowly arms to the side like a nice scoop to slowly lift your shoulders and reaching up, neck engaged with your knee straight, slowly lowering it down, hands overhead. Inhale and gently scoop to the side, slowly lifting your upper back off the mat. Exhale, reach. I'm looking forward towards my toes as I exhale down overhead. Inhale, reach to the side, lift your shoulders, hands pointing towards my feet. As I lower my shoulders down, exhale overhead. 2 more to go. Inhale, lift, exhale down. Last one, my friends. Inhale and exhale. Great job, my friends. Bend your knee to your chest with one knee first. Lift the other leg straight. We're gonna do single leg stretch. Lift your shoulders. I'm reaching with my right hand towards my inner ankle, my other hand top of my knee. I just switch left and right to engage my abdominal muscles. And we'll do this 10 times. 10, 9 with your breath work. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly lower your shoulders down. We are now extending our knees straight, pointing to the ceiling. And we're progressing with scissoring. As I lower my right foot down, holding my left knee, keeping it straight. If it's buckled, that's fine. And tap it down to the mat. This is for absolute beginners, so you want to make sure you're not hurting your back as you stretch your left leg up. Inhale, and then lift your right foot, pointing to the ceiling to switch up to the other leg as you exhale, lowering your left foot down the mat. Inhale up, exhale down. Pace yourself as you alternate left and right. 4 more. Inhale, exhale down. Feels so good on your back and your hamstrings as you stretch left and right. Last set. Inhale, exhale. Last one. Inhale and exhale. We're cooling down now, knees to your chest and rock side to rest. This 30-day wellness journey of Pilates and yoga. So tomorrow will be yoga as we slowly progress every day, even 15 to 20 minutes of workout or sometimes 10 to 15 minutes. Showing up every day in the mat will make a big difference on your overall health. I made this program for everyone, so it's easy to follow along. Side to side on your hips, feels so good. And lower it down your feet, ankle over your knee. For figure 4 stretch, and hug your knees to your chest. If this is still too difficult, as I said in my previous video, keep it down. Just press your knee out. But for those who want to try, hug your knees now to your chest in figure 4 and rock side to side. Abel is so relaxed now, sleeping here while I instruct you guys. He loves my workouts, makes him sleepy. And now we're gonna switch it up to figure 4 again. Hug your knees to your chest. He's a little bit loud on his snoring, so I'm just trying to tickle him. Take a deep breath in, figure 4 stretch. Inhale, exhale, figure 4. Rock side to side. On the other leg. Inhale, exhale, and down. Now, butterfly stretch, feet together, knees to your chest, rock side. And happy baby, place your hands clasp your big toes and rock side to side with your feet facing up towards the ceiling. Inhale and exhale. And that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed my day 11 of my 30-day Pilates and wellness journey, Flourish. If you love this video, want to continue strong and well towards my goal of keeping you strong and healthy, great for absolute beginners and inflexible, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss anything. Sign up on my website at anniepilatesphysicaltherapist.com/flourish. Get stronger and healthier you. If you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns, leave a message on my social media or direct here in YouTube down below. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. See you tomorrow for day 12. Bye!